Hello YouTube. So today, early yesterday actually, I went to Sprint and I saw this phone, the Samsung Seek, and I guess I took a nap and now it's morning. And I never got to open it, so this is the official unboxing of this phone, the Samsung Seek. As you can see right there, the Samsung Seek Sprint, the girl, and the phone slid out, and it is actually not pink, it is red. Yes, I know, I like red. And let's get to unboxing. So here we are with the Samsung Seek. That over there. So here's the phone. It's actually really great. It's a full QWERTY keyboard. 3.5mm or touchscreen, and then 3.5mm headphone jack. On your left side, you got the volume, micro SD card slot, and on the right side, you got the the power lock button, the USB port, and the camera shutter button. And right here you can put one of those little bracelets on there, or whatever. And yeah, full QWERTY keyboard. The camera, 1.3 megapixel, no flash or self-portrait mirror. Speakerphone right next to it. Samsung right there. And it's got like a little grip thing that comes out. It's kind of like that. Like, you see it? Do you see it right here? Yeah, that's pretty cool. So, you know, like, I don't know, it just gives me extra grip. It feels like I can't drop it. So set that phone aside, get the battery out. Oh, and right here we've got the charger. Right here, the charger. And yeah, Samsung. Set that aside. And inside we have business mail. No one cares about that. And some user guides. Getting started. Basic guides. Product registration. Mail back your own service agreement. Yep. I know. It's gay. Well, it's not gay, but it's actually really nice. They teach you how to recycle your old phones, because you need to give back to planet Earth. Alright. Set that box aside. Put this in here. And let's boot it up. And then, well, when I got this case, this clear, as you can see, clear case. Let's see what it looks like on the phone. Okay, so right here, you've got your messaging, your Facebook, your MySpace, And down here you got your faves main. And then you got everything right here, your main. And then you got fun, and then you got web. And then if you click this, you've got your this speed dial thing, contacts, recent, and dialer. And in this back, there's 3 buttons on the bottom: back, home, and phone. And if you click this, it'll go to this menu. If you click the phone, it'll go to that menu. Where is it? Right there. Yeah. And once it adjusts the screen. If you slide it out like that, it'll adjust. And let's take a little quick message. Really quick. Notes. I'm gonna add a note. Wow, it is really hard to text upside down. Oh, that's Smiley. Oh, what's really cool is that I said hello, that's it. What's really cool is they got a emoticon button right here. You can see it, emoticon right there. So when you click it, little smileys will come up. And what else is cool I like is the little arrow buttons right here. Arrows. And then they got the function, they got the back, the enter, arrows, space, symbols, shift, and function. And they got the little number here, so when you go to dialer, when you go to dialer, instead of doing like this, instead of doing like this, you can just slide it open and just use this. And when you touch something, it vibrates, so you know what you're touching, you know? Like if you were to touch like say MySpace, then it'll vibrate. I know, it's pretty cool. Let's see what it looks like without the lights on. Messaging, Facebook, and MySpace. Yep. And what's not really that bad, but I'm not really. I personally like it, but you can't move anything like you can on your faves. You can move it. Can you see that? I don't know. But you can like move it and throw it in the trash. But on the other ones you can't. Yeah, see. Yeah. That's pretty much it on the Samsung Seek. Thank you all for watching, whoever watches, and goodbye. See ya.